Let's be real, Disney Springs has an overwhelming amount of options for dining. If you really want the chance to try out some restaurants before you commit to that reservation or that time slot, do what we do. Have a seat at the bar if we don't have the kids with us. Try out some appetizers or maybe share a bite. You get to taste what the restaurant is about. You get a feel for it. And then if you want to commit to a reservation later on, you know. But otherwise, you just get to experience the different restaurants and have a really good time in the process. When the kids are with us, we try to go, around like 3:30, 4 o'clock on a weekday and grab a table. It works out really, really well. So we are here doing a quick stop at Homecoming just for appetizers and cocktails. Everything here is delicious. And they're actually I'm surprised at how accommodating they were for gluten-free, dairy-free, because everything is kind of in that really good breading. But while you cannot get the fried chicken, you can get a gluten-free bun. They have several appetizers.
Probably the country club.
Oh yeah, that sounds really good. Yeah, with the grilled chicken. Yes, and then for cocktails, Dad, what did you get? The Blue Hooch?
Blue Hooch, try that. Yeah, we usually get the margarita, but try something different.
Try the Blue Hooch instead. So we have actually switched out. So we normally use these when we walk around to get the cocktails, but you can only get the Shine on Tap on those. So the girls are using them for free drinks because these at any time, you can keep coming back here and it's absolutely free to get any of the non-alcoholic, so like sodas or teas, which is amazing because you don't have to reactivate it. And she said you could use it for years, which I think that's really, really cool. And so that way, if you want to get a cocktail that's not on the list of ones that you can use for the refill, let the kids use this for their drinks, and that saves the money difference. You know what I mean? That's still a really good savings. Yeah, I'm going with the deviled eggs. Gray's getting the Key West shrimp cocktail with no crackers. Annabelle's going to get the thigh-high chicken biscuits as well as Dad. Shmoo is getting the thigh-high chicken biscuits as well as Dad. And Annabelle is going to have some of the deviled eggs as well. So we're just doing appetizers. We just thought we'd kind of pop in. I wanted Dad to get a taste of how good the food is here because it is just legendary, and he grew up on good home cooking, so I thought you'd appreciate it.
Sweet tea review. This is good sweet tea, but it's not quite P&J's.
Not quite what?
Not
P&J's over at Fort Wilderness.
That's right.
But is P&J's just like pure leaf, or is it
No,
fresh?
it's
fresh
brewed
leaf?
with the sugar.
You do like that.
Yeah, it's primary taste
This
of
one
sugar.
still might be a little sweet. This one actually does not have simple syrup in it, but they use a passion fruit
Okay, cool. Yay, thank you so much.
Thank you. This looks cool.
Beautiful. That is blue. Sweet.
Tupac's drinking the Smurf.
Oh, you're making me laugh. Oh, you're making me laugh. So I got mine without simple syrup. She said it's going to be tart. Oh, it's perfect.
So Blue
Mine?
Hooch, there's some sort of blue flame moonshine, lemon infused moonshine, blue curacao, simple syrup, lemon, and a splash of Sprite.
Ah. How's it taste? Do you like it? Or you prefer your margarita?
It's a nice change.
Okay.
It's sweet, but it's also got a little bitter.
Okay. Oh, that's good. So it's not just sweet.
No, it's not just sweet.
Can't get over how blue it is.
Blue curacao. Well,
Yeah.
plus they got blue flame. I don't know what the blue
Moonshine.
flame moonshine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, my name is Rob, one of the managers. If you need anything along the way, let us know about it, okay?
Thank you. This is delicious. This is the cucumber cooler, which is just a cucumber vodka and lime juice, which I'm all for. Yeah, it's a Stoli cucumber vodka with lime juice. It's delicious. How's your daiquiri?
Good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be
Glass.
frozen, but they did it up. Sorry.
Yeah, they did do it up.
It's a daiquiri.
Passion fruit daiquiri, is that what it is?
Passion fruit, yep.
Passion for one.
That's what the flower is.
Very cool.
Flower's edible.
Aren't they incredible looking? Yeah, you're not going to be hungry.
As appetizer, I think, yeah, I guess they're for sharing.
It's appetizing.
It's OMG, right?
This is pretty next level.
It's like ice cream.
All right, let's take a look at this.
Double egg and
This
squeeze to it.
is astonishing, and that it's totally gluten and dairy free.
Yeah.
Like no change to the original recipe, except for there's no crackers.
Yeah.
That is stunning.
I think you're supposed
I
to
did
get the
not
crackers
expect that
and like
at
do
all.
this.
Yeah. What
And
else is the other way? Or is
these-
that
Avocado, mango.
Are so beautiful.
these are?
Uh-oh, who's going in? Dad. Amazing. I didn't know that looked better. I'm jealous. Except for that I love these. Dude, is the biscuit just heaven or what? I would almost go back on gluten for that biscuit. I mean, right?
Biscuit bun is awesome.
Oh. Everything here, the fried chicken is like, I mean, everything is literally homemade in-house.
I will have to use.
Reminds me of the biscuits that Angel made for Thanksgiving.
It normally comes with crackers. I think you're supposed to like do this and scoop them. So I'm just going to use fork and knife.
Unbelievable. What do you think?
Very good.
Those biscuits look so good.
Not a fan of pickles on chicken.
Oh, you can take it off.
I know, but it's actually pretty good. It's not,
I think it's a sweet pickle, isn't it?
no,
Oh, it's a dill?
but it's not.
Look
That's
at that.
one
Look at
little.
that thin, yeah. It's like a shade.
It's not like 3 regular sized pickles.
Yeah. Oh, I just think they look amazingly beautiful. It's like a gluten fest right here. Gosh, so good. And the chicken's tender. I can tell it's tender just by how it's biting. All right, Pepper's about to dig in. You're gonna ruin that gorgeous tower.
I know. I'm building up the courage.
Look at the mango and the avocado.
Yeah.
What's this, like a cabbage or what do you
It looks
say?
like cabbage. It says it has cucumber, avocado, mango, cucumber. And that's it. It doesn't say anything else. It says
Wow.
cocktail sauce. Which that's just
Man. Oh, we're digging in. Everything here. I mean, you know, you can't go wrong at homecoming.
I'm not gonna lie. I probably would have ordered the deviled eggs if I knew that there was bacon on it.
Well, I'll give you a bite for bite. So just grab yourself up a nice bite.
do it like
See what you
this.
think. I'd get a little bit of that sauce here. Use the spoon and
Yeah,
get a little sauce dipped
drizzle.
on it.
Yeah, do a little drizzle.
Yeah, build that bite, right? Ah, gorgeous.
Yeah, maybe a little too much mango here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's what we get is oh yeah.
That
Is the shrimp tender and good?
all of it just melts.
It's gorgeous.
The mango is great.
Oh, I can't wait to try
Ah.
it.
All right, it's toppled.
All right, well now it's just time to dig in. All right, I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. Oh my God.
Looks like they have mustard in it too.
Yes, but just enough. So it's not mustard heavy. And what I love is it's not runny. I hate when it's runny.
Can Gray have mine?
It's the perfect consistency.
I'd like to try one.
It doesn't even need salt or pepper added to it.
I'd like to try one.
And the little bit of bacon just makes all the flavor pop. There's a reason why they're like famous. These are famous because they're just so good. And I'm really glad I have my own set and I don't have to share them.
The deviled eggs specifically are famous.
Yeah, they're just incredible. Tupa has had his ass kicked by homecoming. But it's gonna be good tonight when you're like hanging out and you're like, ooh.
1.5 or 3.
Yeah, then later you'll be so happy to have it.
Yep. The little bit that's got the honey on it. Sweet.
Oh.
What I would like if there were 3 different coatings or 3 different.
Oh yeah, 3 different sauces.
Yeah, one
Yeah.
was just spicy. One
Yeah.
was the honey. One was, I don't know,
Yeah.
just plain buttermilk. That would have been great. Just good, very good.
Yeah. Yeah, but kind of change it up.
I tend to get tired of
A flavor.
flavor to
Yeah.
a meal.
Schmoo, on the other hand,
He's working on the 3rd one.
are you gonna save the 3rd one? Yeah. It's a lot. Well, this is a hit. I mean, this was quick. We got it pretty quick. It's what, 3:30. Now it's 4. So it's probably about 4 o'clock when we got here. They sat us almost right away. It is a Tuesday, which is our favorite day to go to Disney Springs.
Heck, don't come to Disney Springs on Tuesday. That's our day. We're on a Wednesday or something.
Or should I say, we're here on a Thursday,
It's Friday. It's really crazy.
but really we're here on Tuesday. We like Tuesdays here because you can get in.
so empty.
And we were at 5 Top. And it wasn't like 2 o'clock, which is a weird time. 4 o'clock, I mean, that's kind of a respectable, hey, it's supper hour. And we are at homecoming, so hey. But the drinks were all good. Dad's was a little too sweet. He's going to go back to his margaritas. Gray liked hers, but wants to do the mule. I love mine. Mine was nice.
At first, I had a little bit of a.
And we
sour
saved
back.
a ton of money. I mean, I don't know. Probably $4 each on these by having the kids use these. So I love it. I love it.
Again, no simple syrup.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If you like a sweet cocktail, go ahead and get it. But this is already very sweet without the simple syrup.
Yeah.
And she said it doesn't have simple syrup in it.
No, the passion fruit.
But the recipe does say simple syrup.
Yeah.
It says simple syrup. But she said it, and let me tell you,
Well, the passion fruit.
it was sweet.
Fruit corn syrup. Yeah.
But on the recipe it says simple syrup, so I don't know. If it had simple syrup above on that, that would be a lot. I just think it's a good idea to go around and just try appetizers at different restaurants. Maybe you don't want to commit to a whole meal, but you want to get to try a lot of things at Disney Springs. Just go have appetizers and sweet tea or cocktails or coffee, whatever. But you get it. I mean, this was a great sampling of what Homecoming has to offer. And now we're on to the next. So it's a fantastic restaurant. The service is really nice. The place is gorgeous. We love it here. This was a blast. Highly recommend. Do appetizers and drinks. You get to have enjoyed the different restaurants and gotten a taste of it. And then now,